Okay, I thought I'd do a review on this portable kit I bought. The only thing I've done to it, which you've probably seen in a previous video, is tested that out on a shower and it didn't work. I think you need a bit more oomph. So all I've done is wire it up. That's all I've done. I've not tested it on this kit, which is a pressure washer kit, which is supposed to work quite well. So we're going to give it a go. So I've got battery, wheelchair. I'm not going to plug that in yet. Okay, got the connectors for that. Okay, we're going to connect the pump up first. So we need, you see that, clear hose, filter on. Right. Into that bucket. And then this hose. Drop in the fuel. Right. Right. Now this should work. If you can see me, yeah, connect the battery, 2 seconds. We should have a bit of life. Let's pump it a bit of water. I'll pull the trigger in. It's alright, it's working. I wouldn't say it'd blow the all the muck off your car, but it is working quite well actually. I'm quite surprised. And the pump stops. Oh, that's good. Okay. So self-priming pump. You can water your garden with it. I'll just show you. Hold on a sec. So actually I was going to give this a bad review because it wouldn't work with, but I'm not saying it's going to clean your car, but it would help you. So really, yeah, it's okay. Not bad, you get a good bit of kit with it. So I haven't tried the brush, but it's bound to work. It's going to just wash your car. You get a little bit of a soap container. Put your soap in the top, that fits in the top as well. A brush, let's have a look. Okay, so this is your, looks like a soap dispenser. We'll have a look at that goes on in a minute. Ah, hold on. So, a washer in there, yeah. So, pop your soap in there. And then pop your handle on that one. And then you've got an extra connector. Not bad then. Take around like that. Let's give this a go. Get the battery back up. Alright. Okay, I'm not going to fault it, it works. So, a bad review turned out to be a good review. And it doesn't leak. And it automatically switches the pump on and off, so pretty good. Run from your car battery. Okay, I'll leave a link in the description down below. And I can't really fault it. I wanted it for this. For the shower, which does both, so I'll use this as well. And yeah, 16 quid I think it was. I'll put a link, like I said. There's a fine mist as well, so pump back on. Pretty clever. Yep. So if you don't pull the trigger in too far, you get a fine mist. Pull the trigger all the way, you get a jet. That's alright. If you're watering plants, cleaning your trailer down, your boat, if you've been to sea, 15 quid, can't go wrong.